Hi everyone, this is my attempt number 25 to create this video. I hope it goes well this time. In this video, I will try to explain you how to use the platform Lunis for this course and everything you need to know about it. Yes. So first you will need to get login information. I hope everyone has already got that. There will be a school's email as a username and 4 digits password. When you have got those, just go to lunis.liber.se and try to log in. If it doesn't work, please contact me. When you've logged in, the first page you will see will be our blog, where I will post all the updated information for the lecture that we will have that day, and as well as information from the lecture. Every day after the lecture, I will post what we have gone through, so those who have missed the class can go back and look at what you have missed. Here on the side you can see some contact information and some useful information about the school and the lectures and where to find us, and if something changes you will see the updates here as well. But primarily is here, like before you go to school, please check in Lunis if something has changed. Maybe the school is closed or something happened, like urgent things may occur. So please just check for the updates so that you don't come to school and it's happened to be closed. Here you will find some more links. Right now it's not so much happening there. Just check later. If there will be something, I will let you know through the class as well. The rest of the course and the exercises you will find in the menu Home, and here right now you land in Lecture, is this homework, which will automatically go to this one when you have some homework to do. There's something that I assigned specifically for you and it has to be done first. So before you proceed any further, so please concentrate on this homework activities that I will post, that I find the most important for you to do before you do anything else. So homework. In the hall is something this is the rest of the study material for this course. Of course, we will have some extra materials apart from Lunis, but this is where you can practice when you are not at school, and I will give you exercises from these courses. So for you who are studying course C, which is the rest of the group, you will see it like that. So course C, BC, and CD, everything is connected to course C, so to say. Right now, I have intentionally blocked everything, so you cannot really go and do anything apart from those things that I find you need to concentrate on, which is a beginner's part of the course. So if you open course BC, you will find, for example, this lesson presentation open. The rest are having this lock. It means you cannot really go there or do anything. So the only thing you can practice right now is this lesson presentation. And each of them has some kind of exercises. So for example, this first exercise has 19 pages. It doesn't mean it's going to be something difficult, but you can just see, for example, this lesson presentation has 9 exercises, and I highly recommend to do it in the right order, in the same order as they are presented here. So they are built in a way so that you learn a new thing every time you go to the next, from the first to the next, and so on. If you jump around them, so you might miss something important, which we don't want you to do. So if you go to the first exercise, for example, right now, let's start from the first page. There was another one. Doesn't matter. The first exercise contains 20 pages. So first one is the information, and then by pressing the arrow you go to the exercise itself, where you need to choose something. Here I have already started doing that, so I can see that I have made some answers or marks, and I can just proceed to the next page. And it's nothing very difficult at the moment. So the more complex exercises are coming later in the other lectures or lessons. So when you have answered, so you just go to the next page, and this 20 pages, as you see, will go very fast for you. If you want to stop doing this exercise because you're running out of time, you need to run, you're doing it on your break at work, just stop, and everything you have done will be saved. If you go back, let's say, to this page, previous page, you will see that you have started doing the exercise, but you haven't finished. So you can just press it again, and it will ask you, do you want to continue from where you were, or do you want to stop and start from the beginning? So the green button means, yes, I want to continue, because you're sure everything you've done before was fine. So another thing, if you have done a lot of mistakes in one of the exercises, and you will see the result here in the end. Right now I can show you because I haven't done it completely, but you will see it. And if you see that there's more than a half of the answers were incorrect, I highly recommend to do it again, so that you learn from your mistakes and then you get better at it. And if I see that you have done something and you've made more than 50% correct, that's fine. If you've done less than 50% correct, I will ask you to redo it. So that was about the course itself, and you can see there are a lot of different lessons, different topics that we will cover through the course. It doesn't mean that you have to do all of them in order to complete the course, but we will talk about it a little bit later. Here's some extra material that you can practice. You can ask me for guidance if you are not sure what you need to jump to. Right now, everything is literally blocked for you because I don't want you to do too much and get a mix of different things. Instead, I want you to concentrate on what is important for you at your level. This, for example, is open, is pronunciation and vocals. That's totally fine to start practicing on. All right, apart from the exercises, we also, blog I've already shown, we have chat. That's something you can use to contact me throughout the day or wherever you feel like. It's not only about Lunis, but other things as well, because I will use this platform mostly for our communication and studying. Noticer means notifications. Here you will see this green circle with a number. It means something the program wants you to pay attention to. For example, if you need to do some test, or if you have gotten a homework, or if you need some test to do. So this is also quite an important thing to notice. So you see there's something, the round circle with a number. Please go there and check what it is. Something from information for you. And here is just, if you want to change the password, that's the only thing you literally can do in this menu. All right, that was all about Lunis. As I said, it was not the first attempt. I hope it works fine. And if you still have some questions, please contact me during our class. Thank you.